indaba zokhathala.
Yes, Peg. Umkhulu, kakhulu.
Yabona go?
Njani?
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Your belief that this is the highest?
Not my belief.
Okay.
Nangu ubufakazi.
Uthukela.
Uthukela Fall, the highest in the world, 983 meters. Ethekwini. So we are here, Bob. It's a beautiful place. That's the beauty of our land, you know. People must make time, come out here. It's a 6-7 kilometer walk from the Mahai Royal Natal campsite. It's a beautiful walk, scenic, but it's going to take you a bit.
No,
Yeah,
the
the forests are
forests are
beautiful. Yeah.
The energy of the forest for you to take the kayak.
Yeah.
The amount of time you walk
Yeah.
get replenished by the forest energy.
Yeah. So the falls are about 45 more minutes this way. It's a long river hop. So we're gonna get there. When we do, we're just gonna savor this moment here and appreciate the beauty, the canopy, the sun seeping through as well. So yeah,
Two things.
Yeah.
One.
the beauty of the land.
Yes. One.
That was it all. Ano nange makaya? Tumeka nomkwako.
Last night, no?
Yeah.